Hi, parents. In a recent conversation with a parent of one of my students, I realized access to some of the resources that your students have, which you guys actually have access to as well, might not be the information for that might not be getting home, in the most discernible way. So I wanted to make this quick video in the first of maybe a series of videos that show you how to access notes, how to have your student help you access answer keys and stuff like that. So today we're going to talk about how do you look at the notes that we are completing in class so that you can help your student, or if they have a tutor, you can show the tutor, things like that outside of class. So the first place you're going to go is the weekly agenda. The weekly agenda is always going to have the links for the notes to the Miro pages. That's the program I use to kind of create and contain all the completed notes for my classes right here. So you'll just need to know which algebra class your child is in, and then you will just click on that link and click on the hyperlink there. And you can see it will open up. A program called Miro will open up. Now, when you first open up Miro, it's going to prompt you to make an account. This is free. You can make a free personal account, and then you can have access. Now, if you do not want to make an account, what you can do is just continue to use these links in a view-only state, just like you would any other link. But the catch is you have to adjust your cookies, because after 2 or 3 views of a link, Miro knows with the cookies it leaves behind that you've seen it, and then it wants to stop you from using it and force you to make an account. So I will show you how I work this out with my students, because they are not legally allowed to make an account, because Miro is a business software, not an educational software. So it's not SOPA compliant for the kids to use their school emails to make an account. So what you have to do to adjust the cookies is come over here to this circle, click on the circle, come down here to cookies and site data, click on that, click on manage allowed device data. So you can see Miro is now up here. Then you're going to click on your hamburger menu right here with the 3 vertical dots. And then you're going to choose delete when you close all windows. Once you have chosen that, your web browser will automatically delete the cookies, so that every time you open up a link from me to Miro, Miro will think it's the first time you're opening that link. You can actually do this with any website that you don't want the cookies, the program or the website leaving stuff behind. Once you're on the page, you can see everything we've completed in the notes here is there for them. I've worked out the problems. I try and color coordinate things to keep it a little more visually engaging. You can see the 3 sets of notes that I'm currently displaying. This is our first practice quiz. So hopefully that was helpful. If you have any questions, obviously, please reach out. But hopefully this helped you have a little better understanding of how to access the completed notes for your students in algebra. Thank you so much and have a great day.